Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Bugs ruining your outdoor time? Say goodbye to screens that slam shut. Best magnetic screen door opens effortlessly for pets and kids, seals instantly against flies. Breeze in, pests out. Easy install, durable frame. Transform your home now. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Mdavo Magnetic Screen Door. The Mdavo Magnetic Screen Door is a practical and budget-friendly solution for anyone who wants fresh air flowing through their home without inviting insects inside. Designed to keep flies, bees, and mosquitoes out, this screen door does an excellent job of balancing ventilation and protection. The mesh allows air to circulate freely, while still acting as a reliable barrier against bugs, making it ideal for summer use in bedrooms, kitchens, balconies, or sliding doors. Its magnetic closure system is one of its strongest features, with 34 magnetic cubes sewn into the center seam to ensure the door opens smoothly and closes automatically behind you. This hands-free design is especially convenient when carrying groceries or moving between rooms, and it works well for pets, allowing cats and dogs to pass through easily. Installation is straightforward and tool-free, using self-adhesive hook tape that attaches securely to the door frame without screws or nails. Another advantage is its versatility. The screen is removable, foldable, washable, and easy to store during the winter months. As long as the door size is measured correctly, up to 38 by 82 inches excluding the frame, the Mdavo Magnetic Screen Door delivers reliable performance, convenience, and seasonal comfort at a reasonable price, making it a solid choice for everyday home use. Number 2. AUGO Magnetic Screen Door. The AUGO Magnetic Screen Door stands out as a durable and well-designed option for homeowners looking for dependable insect protection with effortless usability. Built with heavy-duty polyester mesh, this screen is strong enough to handle frequent daily use while remaining light enough for children and pets to pass through comfortably. Its magnetic closure system runs along the entire length of the screen, providing a more secure and consistent seal compared to models with fewer magnets. This design ensures the screen snaps shut behind you every time, effectively keeping mosquitoes, flies, and other pests outside, while still allowing fresh air to circulate indoors. Installation is quick and simple, using hook and loop tape that attaches directly to the door frame, with extra push pins included for added stability. The AUGO screen is designed to fit doors up to 36 inches by 82 inches, so accurate measurement before purchase is essential. Once installed, it works well with front doors, patio doors, sliding doors, and storm doors. Its full frame attachment system improves durability and helps prevent gaps over time.
Number 3. Flux Magnetic Screen Door. The Flux Magnetic Screen Door offers a premium, modern take on traditional magnetic screen doors, combining strong performance with a sleek, minimalist appearance. Designed to fit doors up to 38 inches by 82 inches, this screen features reinforced fine weave mesh without visible vertical lines, giving it a clean, stylish look that blends seamlessly with most home decor. The mesh is lightweight, yet heavy-duty, allowing sunlight and airflow to pass through while effectively blocking mosquitoes, flies, gnats, and other insects. One of its standout features is the use of 52 powerful magnets sewn into the center seam, creating a truly gapless seal that closes automatically every time. This hands-free design is ideal for families with children and pets, as it allows easy movement without manual adjustment. Installation is renter-friendly and requires no drilling, thanks to the full hook and loop kit included, and it can be completed in under 9 minutes. The reinforced edges and wind-resistant construction help the screen stay in place even during strong breezes.
Number 4. Odocovo Magnetic Screen Door. The Odocovo Magnetic Screen Door is designed for homeowners who prioritize strength, durability, and a tight magnetic seal. Made with upgraded thickened reinforced mesh rated at 250 grams per meter squared, this screen is significantly stronger than many standard fiberglass or polyester alternatives. Its tough, scratch-resistant, and tear-proof construction makes it an excellent option for homes with active pets, as it can withstand clawing and repeated use without damage. The magnetic closure system features 36 longer and stronger magnets running along the entire length of the screen, ensuring fast, seamless closure with no gaps in the middle. Installation is simple and secure, using a widened full-frame hook and loop tape that holds the screen firmly in place, with extra push pins included for additional support. Unique design elements such as heavier bottom gravity sticks and added magnets improve wind resistance, while reinforced stitching at the top enhances long-term durability. Number 5. LONGEAS Magnetic Screen Door. The LONGEAS magnetic screen door is a practical solution for larger doorways, particularly French doors, thanks to its generous size and straightforward design. Built to fit door openings up to 72 by 80 inches with a screen size of 74 by 82, it provides wide coverage while maintaining effective insect protection. The lightweight plastic mesh allows fresh air to flow freely through your home while helping keep bugs outside, making it suitable for warm weather use. With no assembly required, the screen is easy to set up and remove as needed, adding to its overall convenience. Its magnetic closure system ensures the screen closes automatically after each pass, supporting hands-free operation for both people and pets. The LONGEAS screen is designed for everyday use and weighs just 2.44 pounds, making it easy to handle during installation or seasonal storage. While it may not offer the heavy-duty reinforced mesh found in some premium models, it performs well for standard household needs and larger openings. Don't let bugs steal your summer joy anymore. Grab the best magnetic screen door today. Peace of mind, fresh air, zero hassle. Thousands love it for effortless protection. Click now, install easy, enjoy bug-free living forever. Your perfect doorway upgrade awaits.